right, so how was today's work on this idea of test to tell a story?
We did not much focus on stories. It helped us at sometimes where we were a bit stuck. I really like this framework. I had just heard of it, and I had never tried it, and I really like how easy it is to write things and how easy it is to focus on the intent of the test instead of what we're going to code or how we are going to code these things.
Yeah.
I also find that switching from Kotlin or Java to Groovy is not that difficult as long as you don't forget the new.
Yeah, that's the thing.
And so I think that sometimes you could be afraid to use a different language for your test. In this case, I don't think you should. It's really easy, and it's really I would say that what really matters the most in the test here is the data.
Yes.
So as long as your data is easy to read, the test is easy to read and to maintain.
I mean, it's even if you're not that knowledgeable of Kotlin, it's even difficult to see that this is not Kotlin. It's very close.
Yes.
Because there's nothing very specific here, just creating an object, and I think only def is different and the new, right?
Yes, that's the only different thing that we saw. The rest would be quite similar, except that labels like when, then, where. I don't know if we have this in.
Yeah, but I think that's from Spock, so.
Yes.
It's specific to the framework.
Okay. And integration was really easy. We can easily switch between our code and our test. So a nice session for me to discover this new thing.
I think it's interesting to use this framework, use Spock in the case when you have data, because it's very easy to read, very easy to understand by anyone. I think if you write your data properly, a business analyst or a domain expert, or even, I don't know, someone who doesn't know anything about programming could understand what's there if you write it well. Like here, it's we just use domain names. So for a credit or the date, that amount, that's the statement line. I don't think you need to understand coding. And I think that's the purpose of these types of tests, that should be on the domain and should show the behavior and nothing technical.
Yes, and the thing I really like about this is that it is very easy to play with the test and add a new case and test things.
I mean, for a non-technical, a tester who doesn't know programming, this is easy to do. For an analyst, a business analyst who doesn't know programming, it would be easy to do and try out new data here after you wrote the test. I think this is the power of it.
Yes.
It's like playing in Excel, more or less. So
definitely.
Okay. So we stop here. Do you have anything else to add?
No, that's all for me.
All right. So thank you for pairing with me today, and as always, until next time, have fun coding.
Thank you. Have fun.